Mother Nature has definitely found my new days off. They used to be on weekend and now they're midweek. So how about a little tour of my creative corner of the shared office with Linda. You gotta have coffee though. I think I've had about 4 of these by now. All right, first off, here's where I keep all my GoPro shit. All the mounts and screws. Can't recommend this enough. It's a giant clamp. You can put your GoPro anywhere your imagination takes you. I just got this bad boy in the mail yesterday. It's called the GoPro 3-Way. So it's a extendable selfie stick with a little tripod built in the bottom. Oh, starting right to left, I guess. Eyeglasses, because you know I'm 52. Little privacy shield there, Japanese style. All it's doing is hiding all my cables and stuff. Thing here is the Manfrotto mini tripod. It's fantastic. Right now I'm just using it to hold my phone. If you've never heard of this company, it's called Quadlock. They make cases for almost every phone out there. And then they have matching mounts that you can buy. They've got about 40 different ones. This is their tripod mount. And they've got mounts for bicycles and motorcycles, which I use. Bose speakers, left and right. Got a sub box down here. That's the control center for it. Dual battery charger for the GoPro. Deadpool cup full of miscellaneous crap. What else we got here? We got a few card readers, USB 2 and USB-C. This little thing here is my Sony voice recorder, which I use to record the audio while I'm motorcycling. I don't need it for anything else other than that. Some spare cards. This is my Samsung SSD drive. Some movie memorabilia that my wife likes to call garbage. It's not a computer monitor, it's just a hair 32-inch TV I had kicking around. It does the job. Fuji X-T20 with, I've got a zoom lens on there. And coming around, what else we got? This is a generic Bluetooth keyboard from Amazon. That's it, really. Bose noise canceling headphones. Nothing spectacular. So, that's it. Don't really have much else. Need I say more? We'll spin you out. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the shitty weather. I'm back to work tomorrow, so the sun should be out.